Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Educare Academy. Guys, I hope you all are doing very well. As we all know that due to COVID pandemic, most of the countries in the world have closed their borders and hold the immigration processes. And Australia is one of the major countries which hold the immigration processes of the international students as well as their permanent residents from the last 1 year. So all of you are eager to know that about the reopening of the Australia. So guys, in this video I am going to clear all your doubts regarding the reopening of borders of Australia. You will be happy to know that in the last cabinet meeting of Prime Minister of Australia, they have announced the reopening of Australia officially. So according to them, the Australia will going to reopen in November 2021 and the first flight that will take off to Australia will be started on 21st of November. So whether you are an international student or permanent resident of Australia, Australia is going to allow you to fly in. Yet government has declared two major conditions for the travel to Australia. So firstly, everyone who want to go to Australia should have 2 doses of vaccine. And the major thing is that the vaccine which is approved by the Australian government is AstraZeneca, which is known as Covishield in India. So for the international students, it is advisable that all of the students should have taken 2 doses of the Covishield vaccine who want to go to Australia. So secondly, everyone who have taken 2 doses of vaccine will have to undergo a 7 days home quarantine period. And for those who have not taken the full dose of vaccine, for example the children and some medical exceptions, so those people will have to undergo a 14 days hotel quarantine period. So get ready to move to Australia as the borders are going to open. So hope you like this video. If you have any query about any update, so please do comment in the comment section. Thank you.